I've seen a news report that there is a violence in Pulbari against the party TMC workers, and also I've seen that our colleague TMC candidate from Kleret, Srinavara, also has revealed that in September he has been attacked by some allegedly NPP workers. This act of violence is highly condemnable, which is not acceptable in our society, and it's not welcomed by all sections of society. So this kind of acts shows that the NPP is highly insecure when it comes to fighting TMC in this coming election. This coming election, we fight for development, but due to the misgovernance of the NPP in the last 5 years, they know that they are not doing well. So they're highly insecure about what TMC is going to come and do forward for the state of Meghalaya. So in these aspects, I highly condemn this kind of instance, and I urge the election commission to put in more force, to put in lots of watch out here and there, so this kind of incident does not spread in other parts of Meghalaya and other constituency at all. So I request the election commission to take action in this aspect, and also to request all sections of society to be careful and to not accept this kind of incidents to happen anywhere else in other constituency.